Hi friends! What a gorgeous morning. I had to get my camera out. There is so many little birds out. Just so many. You might not be able to see the change in the weather, as in, it's not raining. We're in summer, so we're all desperately waiting for it to get cooler. And as much as, even yesterday was quite warm, but the day before that was 37, and the day before that was 36. So we're still having some really warm days at the end of March. But there's all these other little indications or indicators that it's changing. As I said to you before about the green popping up, there's just so many little birds in that bottlebrush tree. But do you see, I don't water here because I just don't have enough water, to do everything. So this is pretty much left all summer. So we haven't had any rain for well over 4 months, really. And look at the green coming up. So, and listen to these little birds. They are just going off. And I think there's a message in their song. I think they're telling us something. Who knows what they're telling us? Georgie just look at that tail. He just loves the little birds. Now, he doesn't chase the birds. He chases the shadows of the birds, my little Georgie. So we are definitely changing seasons. And it's really interesting because the Aboriginals believe that you don't go by date, you go by what is going on around you. So it just goes to show you they are very, very right. And I'm sorry, I'm going to have a helicopter come over, which is a bit noisy. I might leave you on that. Have a great morning and look around you for the signs. Remember, every little bit matters. Bye.